Have you ever wondered why this place is wet? It's because of my dog. He got a bath and he was so excited because he was taking a bath this time and he goes inside the house. Bro, I was laughing through my ass up there. And this dog isn't even better than all dogs. It's much better because he's always bathing, bro. Know that this dog's named Yuki, and I'm the only one who loves this. But sometimes not because always barks out at persons. And this guy right here is still wet, pretty wet. So here, stay tuned for more other videos. Please like and subscribe. Anyways, let's reach 100 subscribers. If I reach 100 subscribers, I will do a celebration video on my YouTube. And stay tuned. God bless you all. Bye.